Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica Rosemary if you're new here. Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair. They sent in their pre-plucked premium fiber lace frontal wig in the length 18-inch. This is their natural black and it's also a T-part lace wig. Their packaging came with a whole bunch of goodies. They sent in bobby pins, clips, an edge brush, and also tweezers. And of course they sent in the wig cap. Gorgius Hair has very thin and blendable lace. The wig also came pre-plucked, so this is how it looked like. Literally just cut the lace, throw it on, and go. This hair has the updated technique, which is basically just a breathable cap method. This wig came pre-plucked, but I like my hair extra plucked, so I did go ahead and tweeze just a little bit more. After plucking, I went in with the infamous Ruby Kisses cream and I went in the shade 15. This makes the lace closer to my complexion, which helps with the melt. To have a flat bald cap, I do like to go ahead and use Got2be glue and brush them into my edges so my edges can lay flat underneath the bald cap method. And to lay in the dome cap, I go in with the red Ebin holding spray. Once my bald cap method is ready to go, I place the wig on my head and cut the lace into 3 or more sections. Once I cut everything in sections, I like to go in with the Ghost Bond. And I typically do 3 layers of glue, but I recently changed it to 2 layers just because I don't really like the buildup of glue. I feel like it doesn't really make your lace last, so 2 layers is good enough. I like to pull the lace on top and lay it down and then move on to the next section. And I wait for it to get tacky and 90% there for the lace to go on top. Everything is laid. I go in with Spritz and my elastic band and basically just set the lace in place, and I have it on until the Spritz is completely dried. So you guys have seen several times before throughout my previous videos, once we lay down the glue, I then like to go ahead and use a razor because the razor has a jagged edge. Well, it gives off a better illusion to it being like no lace. Because the tracks are at the end of the lace, I did not glue down the lace on the side. So I am going to go in with scissors and just cut off the excess lace. So this is how the hair melted. So because their hairline is a bit harsh, I am going to go back in and just tweeze the front of my hairline because I don't really like, you know, the harsh wiggish look. So we're just gonna hop right into that. To make the tweezing process easier, I like to pull the hair forward in section and tweeze downwards or tweeze upwards. It's easier for the hair to be taken off that way without pulling off the lace entirely. But we like that silk press kind of look. This wig is like perfect. Like it literally just falls like I got my hair pressed. So this hair is heat friendly, so I was able to go ahead and hot comb my hair to my liking. The hair, as you guys seen, it already fell flat, but I want my hair to be extra flat on top. This is basically not a needed step for this install. I was contemplating if I should go ahead and add baby hairs, and I finally decided to do it. But you guys seen this hair literally did not need any baby hairs, but I did it because I just like how it looks like. I used edge booster and Got2be glue to make my baby hair stay in place. This is how the hair came styled out of the pack, and I actually really like this hair. The luster is perfect. It's not like too shiny where you can tell, like, you know, it's synthetic. And also I love how they styled the wig. I keep mentioning that because I actually really like how they styled it. I'm done for the night. I am going to go to bed, and with that I am gonna go show you guys how the hair looked like after I went to sleep with it. I like to use an elastic band to hold down my lace because I am a messy sleeper. So I do like to use an elastic band, and I also like to use a silk bonnet. These are like the best combos to go to sleep in. Before I wrap my hair, I like to tie down the lace with my elastic band. And to wrap my hair, I use bobby pins to help my hair stay in place. The method that I do to wrap my hair after a fresh silk press, I use that same method. Brush your hair all in one direction and bobby pin it up, and it will stay in place throughout the night. In New York, we typically do this after a fresh silk press. This is what helps our hair stay in place for days. So this is later on in the second day. I had went out earlier and got so many compliments on this hair, and I am just obsessed on how natural this hair looks. I made a list on things that I like about this unit. I like how natural looking the hair is. Once I took the hair out the packaging and styled it, it just automatically gave a silk press. Like I did not have to do too much manipulation to achieve this look. Another thing that I like about this unit is not having to bleach my lace. If you guys watch my previous videos, you guys know I typically bleach my knots. And with this install, I didn't have to, which is a plus in my book. This is Gorgeous Hair premium fiber unit, so it took heat pretty well. My hot comb do get pretty hot, so I was really surprised that unit was able to take the heat. And sometimes with pros there can be some cons. The only thing I can say I don't really like about this unit is actually the sizing. I do have a big head, so it was a struggle for me to get this unit to fit properly, but I eventually did, as you guys can see. This hair is super affordable and it's definitely giving baddie on the budget. Using my discount J25 will give you 25% off, so you can enjoy looking good without breaking the bank. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.